Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helper Hut here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to insert word art into the Microsoft Word. So this will hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is to select the insert tab, and now you want to go to the right side, right where it says the letter A versus insert word art. It's above the text section. Go ahead and left click on that. And now you can insert various word art, and it will take you or redirect you to a new tab when you are piloting over this text. It will give you a lot of different options to play around with the type of word art that you have on your screen. So you can change the size of it, you can change different theme settings as well as different colors and outlines and effects. So pretty cool feature there guys, and as always thank you for watching. Do about to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.